baby. Hello, Sofia. I love you so much. You're so beautiful. Sofia is ready to go home for Christmas. Yes, for Christmas. Her mama is in love with her. As a matter of fact, I'm in love with her too. How not to be in love with this little cutie pie? Just look at her. I will miss you terribly, but I really do know that you have the best mom in the world. Oh, that's Sandie, a little Sandie. Oh, wow, what lovely, lovely white boots. Wow. Just look at her skin. So real. She's perfect in every detail because she was made with so much love from me and her mom. And your little brother, Angelos. Yes, you are going to have a little brother, Angelos, and he will be with you, okay? After I finish him, he will be with you and you will play together. Merry Christmas, Sofia. Merry Christmas, little baby girl.